pretty messed up if my phone went flying out the window. Okay, you guys, if my phone goes flying, I'm sorry. So like I was saying, I'm attempting to try and catch a stupid driver on my way home. Hopefully we find one. These lanes are like really freaking small here. Alright. So, yes, I am Alright, let's just put you back right there. Okay. I'm sorry, you guys, my phone fell. I knew it was going to once I turned, so it's alright.
Now, applications are being accepted immediately for positions.
Commercials. That kid is too big for that toy. Oh, listen to this song. What's going on, guys? I'm Caitlin.
I'm Robert.
And this is the McIrvin family. We have 2 children who are currently sleeping. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today, Robert and I are going to make slime using just Elmer's glue and stop flow. As you see, we both have bowls. We both have spoons to mix it. Okay,
ready?
So let's take our spoons out.
Got the whole bottle of glue.
Yes. Oh, really quick before it gets messy, you might want to take your ring off.
Yeah, my ring's already off.
Okay, I forgot to take mine off. You guys, if you're wearing rings, you definitely want to take it off because when you're first kneading it, it's definitely sticky and it will stick to your ring. I still have my first slime on here stuck to it. The last slime I made was an epic fail. A major epic fail.
Well, you're not really used to making slime. When we made the first batch, it was about 1 bottle, so you try again in 2 bottles. You're not used to 2 bottles yet.
Yeah, it made silly putty. It didn't make slime.
Okay, I got mine.
You got all of it out?
Pretty much.
You need every single bit.
I got a lot of it out.
Mine's still coming out. I don't see how. I got a lot more glue than you. Okay. Still coming out. Alright, I think that's good. Okay, so the main key about slime, you just need to eyeball it. So we're both going to start off with just a little bit at first. And you'll see it come together. So now I'm going to take my spoon and mix it together. Oh, it's already coming together. Definitely going to need a little more. Now as you're mixing this, the glue residue on the sides and everything else will eventually come off. It does not stay on the bowl. And I think it's time for me to knead it.
Mine's not sticking together yet.
You need more. How much did you put in there?
Not much.
You need to pour a little bit more in there. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's coming together. It's not as sticky as I thought it would be like the first time, but it is sticky. Is it coming together yet? Yay, Robert's getting there. You want to keep adding the stop flow until it's not sticky anymore.
Yeah, I think I'm down a meeting with my hands now.
Okay, I need to go on my knees. Scoot this out a little bit.
Looks like a marshmallow.
Okay. Definitely sticky.
Yeah, mine's really sticky.
Oops, that was a lot. Here, I'm gonna pour some into your bowl. Cause I know you're gonna need some soon. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I accidentally poured a lot of stop flow. Okay, this hard floor is hurting me.
Mine's actually starting to come together now. Real good.
Yeah,
It's starting to stick to my fingers.
I definitely put way too much stop flow, but that's okay. I'm just gonna work it in.
It's starting to get stretchy.
La, 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 la. Basically,
Stretchy.
yes. Basically, you want to keep kneading until the stop flow is all mixed in. It is going to be stringy at first,
It's very sticky and stretchy.
but you want it to where it's sticking together.
Not on you, really. Like it's all over me right now. Maybe add more stop flow because how much it's starting to stick. It's
You're
sticking
welcome.
too much.
Okay, so as you guys can see, mine is coming together more as I knead it. A lot of air bubbles. Messy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You don't even have all the slime together.
It's almost impossible to get it all together.
You need my help?
I'm getting it.
Are you sure? Because mine's almost done.
I'm still meeting it. I still got stop flow I need into it.
I think mine needs a little bit more.
Thing about this though, you don't want to add too much because
It will become liquidy again.
yeah, it will become liquidy and it'll be no good again. That's why you want to add it slowly and knead it in slowly. Well, we don't have to knead it in slowly, just add a stop flow slowly, knead it, add slowly, knead it till you get the right texture you need.
Yes. A good way to tell when you're done kneading stop flow is when it gets all the glue off your hands. Oh man, I got a hair in mine.
Mine's coming off. But it's still sticky.
You definitely want to just keep kneading. See how it's getting that stretchy texture? That's what you're wanting. I've also seen a girl named Karina. When she does slime, she uses an activator like a contact solution, and it works real well for her. It works the same as stop flow does. It's just I found that stop flow works the best for me. I have not tried the contact solution yet. I've only tried the stop flow, which is liquid starch. You need help?
No, I'm getting it now. I think I actually might got it from collecting off from the sides.
I should help you. Okay.
Because it's not really sticking to me no more. It's actually coming off too. starting to get there. Ah!
Here is my slime.
Okay. There's some more star flow.
How much more stuff will you got in there?
Not much.
Do you want my help?
I'm getting it now.
Is this the first time you ever made slime?
Mm-hmm.
Is it weird?
Kinda.
Feels weird, don't it?
Kinda.
It's fun to play with.
Stretchy. So mine's still a little sticky. So that's the reason I'm just trying to collect this itty bitty star flow that's on the sides. I'm not trying to add so much to it to make it no good at all.
Let's see how long it takes. You think I can do the little flippy trick I do?
Probably.
It's going down as an arrow. Alright, let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't get that in my hair.
It's
My mama would kill you. Mama, comment down below what you think about him putting this in my hair.
Well, you say you want to get it thinned down anyways and cut, so
Oh, it needs cut or thinned out. It is so thick.
I'll just be helping you make the process a little faster.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, so while we're doing this, I do want to thank you and appreciate you guys for watching our videos. You know, keep showing our channel love, show your friends, family, cousin twice removed, whoever, you know, just show our videos, share them, and get the word out there about our videos. Like we said in the first couple videos, when we get 5,000 subscribers, we are going to do $300 giveaway. It's $100 for 3 different people on a gift card or like a Walmart card or something. And we would give it to you guys if you're in Peoria, or mail it if you're out of state, so that way you guys can get it. So if you want to enter in that, you have to be subscribed to our channel, turn on the push notifications, and comment down below when done. And you think anything else?
As long as they hit the push notification, subscribe, and
Share with their friends,
Yeah.
have their friends subscribe, stuff like that. So basically you just got to be subscribed, you know, whatever. Obviously have the push notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload a video. Whee! And shout out to Mariah. He can't play Fortnite right now because of some stuff, but we are trying to find a way to get Fortnite on our tablet for him, so just tell little man, hold on. Right?
yep.
And then y'all can go against each other. You think you could take little man?
I know, it'd be a good battle.
By the way, guys, for those who do not know, this little man that we're talking about is his nephew, and Mariah is his niece, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's
My
his
niece.
niece. Huh?
My niece.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Oh,
You don't listen to me.
yeah. I do.
Alright, so you guys, as you see, as I'm kneading it more and more and more, it's coming together. It's not really ripping. Let's see if I can
Which
get it
is good,
stretched
you
out.
really don't want it to rip. With slime, you don't want it to rip, so the fact that it's not ripping is good.
Yes, it's nice and thick, which I like. Do you need help?
Nope, because I'm getting it off. I don't have to...
That's a good idea. But I got stop flow in the bottom of mine. I don't want to mess mine up. You know what? I got this.
Look how big and fluffy mine's getting to be now.
I got this.
So we can show them that even comes clean after you get done.
Yeah. That's why I chose a clear bowl. Get off. Okay. So, this is how you guys make slime. If you guys try our
Bowl is
recipe at home and you upload it or whatever, just either go to our Instagram and share it with us, or our Twitter and share it with us. I will put our social medias down below. It's always at the bottom of our description. Okay, along with video
requests.
Or not request, different videos that we have done. So that way you guys can watch other videos. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Okay, so I just want to say earlier, when I had the camera on and it fell the second time, and I told you guys I would pick it back up when we got home, as soon as I shut the camera off, this car was trying to play chicken with me. It was going head on. I was going down Gift, and
Too many more stuff. Let's do it.
here, let me see it. Oh, this is actually like perfect. This is what you want, baby. Got a lot of air bubbles.
I know, I was working on that now.
Yeah, it's not too stretchy. Hang on, I'm gonna go grab the first slime I've ever made so that way we can compare.
And like, since it's the right texture and everything, at this point, before you kind of start kneading it into this, is when you kind of want to add the food coloring, so that way it can be a little bit different color. But you can do it afterwards, just be a little bit more harder and take a little more coloring.
Yes, we're just not adding
Color to ours.
yes, so that way you guys can see it. My knee hurts now. I'm sitting on that floor. Okay, so you guys, I didn't have a airtight container. You definitely need an airtight container, because if not, then your slime will get hard. But I used a Play-Doh container.
Took all the Play-Doh out, of course.
Yes.
Don't want to mix them together.
Okay, so this is my first slime. Definitely very stretchy. I love playing with this thing. It feels so much different since I was just playing with ours.
Ah! Trying to get all the ones that are stuck to my wrist.
So this is mine. I made it green and sparkly. Every time I play with it, I get sparkles all over my hands. But yes, this was one, oops, it ripped apart. This was one bottle of glue right here. And it was actually, one bottle of glue is very easy to make, you
Starting to
guys.
heat up in my hand.
Yeah, you're gonna end up melting it. I made this, what, a month ago?
I think so.
I made this a month ago just to try it out, see if I could even do it as an idea. See where we went from there. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this one back up.
Wait, Taria!
I think Thomas is in the room with Haley. Alright, so you didn't even get all the glue off of the spoon.
Give us it. Rub it on that.
Holy shit, yours is still sticky. Holy shit.
I warmed it up. My body heat.
Alright, I'm gonna try something with yours. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, yeah, dripping.
Ooh. It's all melted. Robert melted it.
I made it right.
Yeah.
There's my body heat.
I'm trying to make it to where when it does melt, it's not as sticky. That's why I only added just a little bit more.
She can play with it all day. It'd be fine with her hands, but she's cold-blooded. Me,
The second you touch it, it turns back to liquid.
Because my body heat is like freaking through the roof. Let's just say the AC could be on. It could be negative 30 degrees in this house. If I'm laying in this, if we're laying in the same bed, she's nice and toasty because of my body heat. It's produced so much heat that she is nice and warm in our bed.
And I'm always cold due to a blood condition that I have. So it keeps him cool as he's warming the bed up for me. So it's kind of like yin and yang.
Yeah.
Yeah, Thomas is in the room with Haley.
That's probably one reason why
Okay.
she's staying awake.
There. not sticky anymore. Till you touch it.
Yeah.
Alright, so again, here's mine. Woo, nice and thick too. I like it. Alright, you guys, so this is our video.
I hope you like, comment, share, subscribe.
And tomorrow, today is the last day of our 30-day spree.
Sorry, guys. Yeah, I know you
So-
guys are probably looking forward towards tomorrow's video. So
Tomorrow we are taking a break. However, on Sunday, we are starting the 30 days again and upload for another 30 days and then take a break, 1 day break, and then that way we can come up with ideas. And then, and then record for 30 days and then take another 1 day break. And we're going to keep doing that to see how everybody likes it. If everybody likes us uploading every day, then we'll continue doing it. If they want videos every other day, 3 to 4 times a week, you know, just comment down below and let us know.
And also comment below, so that since tomorrow's our break day, you got this today, the next day, to give us some ideas for a video, challenges, and so on and so forth. So please comment below on ideas of videos for us to do as well. And it's about time to close out the video, ain't it?
Hang on.
I'll wait for you to do that. With me and you both.
Alright. Go ahead.
No, I'll wait for you, baby. Get over here.
Ooh, we're at 20 minutes. Ouch. Okay. My leg hurts from kneeling.
Alright.
I let Robert have the chair, you guys. Alright, I know they can't see my face. Here we go again. Okay, so like, comment, share, subscribe. Again, we are taking a break tomorrow, so we will be back on Sunday. Sunday is when we will be back. Sunday.
Sorry that we're not doing a video tomorrow, but like she said, we needed a break. Everybody needs a break eventually, you know, just to think, cool down, relax.
Come up with more ideas, crazier ideas. So yeah, like I said, follow us on Instagram, Twitter. Our information will be down below. And we'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye, guys.
Peace.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this part out, but I want you to do me a favor. Stretch your slime out and make a funny face. My slime fell apart. Okay.
Ah!
Oh, shit. Okay, hang on. Ready? All right, ready? Here we go.
It's stuck out on the floor. Baby, that's out of control.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it literally got out of control. Oh my god. It literally just devoured the shirt.
Bloopers.
No, this